Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Gather W-2s, 1099s, and form 1040 schedules before you start. Before you log into Freetaxusa, assemble employer W-2, 1099 NEC or 1099 MISC, 1099 INT, and any Schedule C documents, plus receipts for deductible expenses like 00 charity or medical costs. Collect Social Security numbers, bank routing numbers, and prior year AGI for identity verification. Decide whether to claim standard deduction or list itemized deductions based on totals, and note mortgage interest, state taxes paid, and property tax figures. Enter W-2 wages exactly as shown and import or type 1099 forms. Sign into Freetaxusa, choose Free Edition for federal, and use guided prompts to enter wages, tips, and 1099 income. Import can speed entry. Report self-employment income on Schedule C and calculate self-employment tax, entering business expenses and home office deductions as amounts in dollars. Claim credits like Earned Income Credit and Education Credits if eligible, and enter details to reduce tax liability and possibly increase your refund. Run the error check and review the final Form 1040 totals. Use Freetaxusa's review tool to catch mismatched Social Security numbers, math errors, or unentered income. Verify AGI and tax withheld. File federal for free and pay $4.99 for a state return if needed, choosing e-file to speed processing. Choose direct deposit for refunds and enter your bank routing number and account number, or select electronic payment for taxes owed and schedule payments before the April deadline.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.